What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and join me on a day and you know what, I want to say it's beautiful, but you see, like, it just can't start this way, guys. It can't start this way because I just found out some news that it's pertaining one game, but I feel like later in the future it might affect a lot of games. And for that's why today just can't be a beautiful day. So today's just a day. And I'm talking about Grand Theft Auto 6. So apparently there's a online Swiss merchant that this retailer, they accidentally posted the price of Grand Theft Auto 6. Now, prices nowadays have been, with time we've all gotten used to the price changes. Back in the day, games were 50 bucks, went up to 60. Now PS5 games are going for $70. So that's going in a pattern in which we can all understand that all games are just going to go up in price eventually. Just had to warm her up a bit. And I'm completely down to support the developers. It's not like the past where you had, a room full of developers, coders, artists, all that good stuff to make a video game. Now you have buildings, floors. There's a lot of people involved in making a video game nowadays. So I understand that game prices are going to be going up. What it brings me to is realizing the fact that, in like the next 2 years, I'm already thinking ahead of, game prices. Maybe a PS5 game is going to be 80 bucks this time. Let's see what Game Pass is doing. Once again, gotta praise Game Pass for the fact that they're doing what they're doing in the monthly subscription. But apparently, this Swiss retailer by the name of Brack.ch, apparently they accidentally posted the price for GTA 6, and it seems like it's at 99 Swiss francs, which rough estimate to US dollar, we're talking about $110 about. So imagine a game that might come out this year. Who knows at this point? Might come out in like the next 5 years, let's just say that, and it's gonna be $110. And this is where I don't really understand, because a couple of months back I heard about a concept of which, think about a game as money that you spend and time that you spend on the game itself. Meaning, is the game worth it when you spend $60 and all of a sudden you beat the game in like 2 hours? An example, Modern Warfare 3. Was it worth it? A lot of people might not think so, but that's why you have online, and that's why you have zombies for. So some games are gonna differ. You know, Grand Theft Auto, I know it's a game that people are still playing to this day, and it's been out for years. So when you calculate that into, let's say, the next 30 years that it's gonna be out for, with like the 15 or 20 remasters, then yeah, I mean, it's gonna be worth it for the money. But man, $110 for a video game, that has to be a little ridiculous. So I don't know how accurate this is. I'm really hoping it's not accurate at all. I'm hoping it's some kind of, you know, some kind of mistake, that they're doing it for the publicity, to bring up the attention, like, oh man, it's $110. And you know what, like, shut up. Like, we all know, like, I'm gonna buy it, you're gonna buy it, we're all gonna buy it. So that's not gonna make a difference at all. But yeah, $110, it's a little steep. So I wonder what it comes with. Who knows? It might come with some of that that GTA money. That's a little interesting, but I'm just a little like, man, that's a lot. Now that we get the game out of not the game, but the price out of the way, what do we think about the game? Let me know down in the comments. I mean, your opinion about the price. I think it's, of course, it's a little steep. Let's find out later in the future, some official updated numbers. But what do you think about the game? What do you guys think about the visuals, the graphics, the settings, the Florida-ness in the game? If there's one thing I can't wait for, it's gonna be the radio stations. By far my favorite thing of every Grand Theft Auto game is the radio stations, especially the talk shows. Oh man, they are the funniest. So can't wait for what they have in store in Grand Theft Auto 6. Now, when it comes to the overall gameplay, I'm trying to find out as least as possible when it comes to the details about the game. I'm just looking at visuals just to have an idea, but I'm trying to have the least idea possible. But we'll see when it comes out. Hopefully it comes out within the next 5 years. We'll find out. So I'm hoping it's soon though. And on the meantime, I mean, there's other great games. Yeah, there's other fantastic games that are gonna be coming up, especially what I think is gonna be game of the year, and that's gonna be Claire Obscure Expedition 33. I can't wait. I cannot wait for that game to come out. So I'm really excited for that. And with that, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? You know, how excited are you for Grand Theft Auto 6? Are you excited for that hefty price tag? If you like the video, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.